Today, I'll show you how to search in Basecamp, a tool that can significantly enhance your project management experience. Whether you're trying to locate a specific project, find a team member, or revisit a recent page, Basecamp's search function is designed to make your life easier. Let's dive right into how you can make the most of this feature. First, you need to navigate to Basecamp's website. So open your preferred web browser and type in basecamp.com. Once you're on the homepage, you can log in using your credentials if you haven't already. This step is crucial as it gets you ready to access all the projects and information linked to your account. Now, here's a neat little trick for you. Instead of manually navigating through the site, you can use a keyboard shortcut to access the search function quickly. Simply press Shift and J simultaneously on your keyboard. This shortcut is designed to save you time and help you get to what you need faster. It's especially useful when you're juggling multiple tasks and need information in a snap. Once you've activated the search feature, you'll see a search bar that pops up, ready for your input. This is where you can search for a project, a person, or even a recent page you visited. Let's break these options down a bit. If you're searching for a project, perhaps you're looking for a specific task or document, simply type the project name or a keyword related to it into the search bar. Basecamp will display a list of matching results, allowing you to select what you need easily. If you're trying to find a person, maybe a colleague or a team leader, just type their name. This is particularly useful when you need to check in on someone's progress or collaborate on a task. Basecamp's search will help you locate that person's profile or any conversations you've had with them. Lastly, searching for a recent page can be a lifesaver if you forgot to bookmark something important. Just input a keyword or phrase you remember from that page. This ensures you can quickly backtrack to where you left off without having to retrace your steps manually. As you use Basecamp's search feature more frequently, you'll notice how intuitive and time-saving it is. It's designed to help you find exactly what you need without unnecessary hassle. Remember, the key to effective searching is using specific keywords. This approach not only speeds up the process, but also increases your chances of finding the right information swiftly. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to navigate Basecamp's search function like a pro. To sum up, just head over to basecamp.com, use the Shift+J shortcut, and type your query into the search bar to find projects, people, or recent pages quickly and efficiently. I hope this tutorial makes your experience with Basecamp more productive and less time-consuming. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out other tips and tricks for getting the most out of Basecamp. Thanks for watching, and happy searching.